Welcome to the School of Liberal Arts. I'm Dr. Nadia Anwar, the Dean of the School of Liberal Arts. SLA is a unique emergence on Pakistan's educational landscape that promises to create a new generation of thinkers, informed writers, and professionals in multiple fields.
Our mission is breaking out of the box. It is to foster critical thinking and understanding of global transformations through research, reflection, and intellectual inquiry.
There are numerous facilities available for SLA students, such as our language labs, computer labs, information processing centers, and libraries.
We at SLA offer BS in Language and Linguistics, Literature, and Liberal Arts. SLA also offers MS and PhD in Applied Linguistics and Literature.
Our programs prepare our students for a life beyond classroom, promoting critical thinking, intellectual curiosity, and creativity.
We provide our students a vivid exposure to co-curricular activities, including art exhibition, theatrical performance, and excursion.
All the faculty members, may it be junior or senior, are supposed to publish 2 to 3 research articles in high-profile journals each year.
The School of Liberal Arts has a dynamic and diverse faculty specializing in language, literature, TESOL and ESL, bringing a wealth of innovation and expertise to our academic community.
Join us at the School of Liberal Arts and explore a world of opportunity.